Hi, let's continue in the studio with the new welcome page redesigned for both editions, community and enterprise. But you will tell me, why a new welcome page? Because we already had a very nice welcome page in 7, don't I? Well, actually, we wanted to improve readability. For example, we wanted to redesign sections to group resources with a better logic, but also to make sure that you will have an alert in Enterprise Edition when the license is close to expiration date. Also, we wanted to have quick and central access to all resources, including an example like the adaptive case management we talked about in the introduction. We will now see in details what it looks like for each edition. I am going to open the studio for both editions, Enterprise and Community, and show you the different sections and how to use them. If we go first to Bonita 7.10 Enterprise, I have just opened my studio and I will see that when I'm connecting myself for the first time, I have a direct access to the release notes from the studio, which will prevent you from looking for it. You can have access directly to the documentation thanks to that as well, which is really practical. Afterwards, when you are searching for release notes, you can access them here in Help section as well as documentation, or directly from the welcome page in the Learn section. This section, Learn, is going to give you all the information you need to create your applications and use Bonita. We start with the documentation release notes, but if you are new to Bonita, you can use Getting Started tutorial, which will give you all the information and the steps to build your own application. Then, if you need to follow first level of training, you can follow our Bonita video series that are available on our channel in order to make sure that you understand all BPM and Bonita concepts. Then you also have other videos about the product, but also about different concepts, technical environments, and so on. And if you want to go further, you have a link here to directly go to the official training and make sure that you can follow it easily. Would you need help? Then you can ask your questions in questions and answer from our community website. And in this community website, you will get answer from our teams or even better from other users from the community. Would you have any product feedback? You can click on this link and you will be able to give us your feedbacks and information. As a customer, you will have a direct access to customer portal here, which is important because you don't have to search for the URL. In the customer portal, you will find all the information you need about the support, about licenses, products, and also the support case interface. If you need to access full resources such as examples, you will have them here. As an enterprise customer, you will have access as well to adaptive case management example, where when you are a community user, you won't see it here. Otherwise, you will have access to our Bonita user application that I am going to introduce you in the next chapter, or as well to the community contributions that are projects done by our community users, while you will be able to find very interesting projects and contributions. You want to have all the tips and make sure that you use Bonita properly, follow our blog as well, because you will get best practices, you will get tips of the weeks, knowledge base, and troubleshooting articles. So now you're ready to start. So if you want to manage your projects in community, you will only be able to open a diagram or open a new diagram and import your own boss archive. Whereas when you are working in Enterprise Edition, as you have the ability to use multiple projects, you will be able to add a new project, to switch your projects. For example, here I am currently in a French new project. I want to switch to my project, so I will click OK. And here in the Explorer, you will see that the project will be changed. Okay, now I am working on another project. Also, I will have the ability to clone the project from Git directly to use it easier. If I select the URL, the host, then it will import all my Git repository in the application descriptor. I will just have the project name inside the workspace where it will be added. So now you know everything on the welcome page, and we are going to follow with the interaction on Bonita user application. Thank you very much for your attention.